Good day, everyone. Learn how to move your taskbar to the left side. So if you want the alignment just like the Windows 10, where your start icons and the taskbar icons you want at the left hand side, then you just need to do the right click in the taskbar and then go to taskbar settings. And here we will scroll down and you will find taskbar behavior, taskbar alignment, badging, automatic hide and multiple display. The moment you click on that, you will find the taskbar alignment and we will select left. And the moment we do that, it will be changed to the left hand side, and it will also share automatically hide the taskbar. If you want, you can do that. And once you are done with the left, just close it and it will be right there at the left hand side. So this is how you can move your taskbar to the left hand side. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.